So what would this room be for? Who would it be for?
The kitchen.
It's the kitchen.
But it'd be for just...
For the big house. So did you walk through the big house already?
Not yet.
Alright.
Okay.
So usually, you're going backwards. So if you would have went through the big house first, you would have saw this great big beautiful dining room. So this building is the kitchen for that big house. Back in the day, the kitchen was separate because they were afraid it would burn down. And there was actually 3 kitchens here. This would have been the 3rd one.
What did you cook for dinner tonight?
We had pumpkin soup, cold Canon, green beans, pork roast. Help yourself.
Don't eat this.
Huh?
Don't eat that. Although if you have a suggestion, it would help.
Fruit and cheese, bread,
Bread and jam?
and apple pie.
Oh, there you go. What?
Your language,
Yeah, but Mrs. Burris.
your language, lady. Mr. McLoughlin.
Do not let Mr.
Driving
Burris.
to the Canons.
Mr. McLoughlin has left the premises for 8.
Was cooked in this kitchen.
And you need to go home soon, right?
And then farmland was
Once I start
15
to do
miles
this,
on
I'm
either side,
done. Yeah. So everything,
10 miles inland.
everything on that,
Are you
everything over there needs to be washed. Okay.
All right, so
Oh,
Milk
this needs to be
Lane,
washed, and this
Milk
needs to
Lane
be
is a road from
emptied.
the Hudson Bay
And so all
Company
of
that
that
took you
stuff
to the
is ready to
mill.
go. Right. This is water.
Total of about 3,500 acres that they actually farm.
And when you get rid of that, the potatoes.
Put that into like a
Or a Tupperware.
The fort was
Yeah.
also known as the Vancouver Farm.
but that would definitely it's cool enough going to the back.
So they had around 1,400. Just came in and he was like, can I just take the heart stuff?
Does it keep? Yeah.
There's still 245.
Sam, can I have a fork, please?
I was going to for 15.
Oh, that's true. We played for a lot less than I thought.
You ate something, didn't you?
No, yeah. I can take a fly home and can do it. Yeah.
Here. Then it became American territory, right? And then the English sued the Americans for this land since they established it as the first colony of America. That's why we're national park.
Yes, we are.
All the first things that happened in North America.